You've just snapped an amazing selfie, but the tourists in the background are taking away from your sparkling smile. Here's how to clean up your image. Head on over to firefly.adobe.com. Then jump into Generative Fill. Drag or upload the photo you wish to edit. Then select Remove from the left. Now, we could brush over both groups of tourists at the same time, but I found that working in smaller areas gives you more flexibility with the variations. With our first group selected, pressing Remove will let Firefly fill in the area with what it thinks should be there. And after it completes, you'll have 3 options to choose from. Let's do one more, but this time I'll switch over to Insert. Up at the top, the entire group can be brushed over. And don't worry too much about selecting parts of your main subject. Firefly will be able to repair that nicely. Also, pro tip, your brush size can be adjusted using the left and right square bracket keys on your keyboard. To add a touch of fun in the background, let's replace the group with something like a medieval castle. And just like the last example, we have a few options to cycle between, or we can generate more if needed. And just like that, the tourists are gone, only digitally of course. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you all next time.